I want to explain this Varna and Jati. I was waiting for the reference. Varnayate anena iti varnaha. Varnyate anena iti varnaha. That which is based on description of quality and action is Varna. Jati. Jananat jayate jatihi. That which happens out of birth is jati. So, Brahmana jati, Brahmana varna is two different things. Brahmana jati is given the possibility ecosystem to become Brahmana varna. But just by jati, he doesn't get the varna. And any other jati is not denied to become Brahmana varna. Same thing for all varnas, all four varnas. I was waiting for the original reference. I got it, that's why I am giving you now. Vyutpatti, derivation of the word. Varna, varnyate anena iti varnaha. Varna, varnyate anena iti varnaha. That which is based on description of quality and action is Varna. Jati, jananat jayate jatihi. That which happens out of birth is Jati. We have 20 million scriptures, 2 crore. 2 billion Hindus are there, 200 crore. We need at least 10% of Hindus to become Brahmanas. As per Varna, not just Jati. At least 20 crore Hindus should become Brahmanas by Varna. Only then the whole 2 crore scriptures can be collected, organized, stored, practiced and presented to the whole world as per Brahminical traditions, free of cost. Listen, we have 200 crore, means 2 billion practicing born Hindus, born and practicing Hindus. And we have 2 crore, 20 million scriptures in Hinduism. All put together I am saying. That is like a 20 million, 2 crore source books. In this 2 billion, 200 crore, at least 10% of the Hindus should become Brahmana by Varna. Only then we can collect all these books and store it properly, make digital and physical libraries and practice those knowledge, build laboratories and teach this knowledge to the whole world. This is what is my life's mission. Of course, translation, making it searchable, making it user-friendly, indexing, all this work put together. That is the purpose for which I started this Nityananda Hindu Library, Jnanalaya project, which Mahadeva Swarupa is leading now. Collecting all the 2 crore, 20 million source books, organizing, indexing, then translating, making it user-friendly, making library, physical library and making digital library, then studying it, researching it, making laboratories. For example, the Hindu battery, which can be charged, recharged by consciousness, does not need any other chemical from outside. The Hindu aircraft, which can fly through the conscious sound technology. See, consciousness based light technology, sound technology, consciousness based biology, consciousness based biology based technology. When consciousness starts growing in your biology becomes totally different, and that biology can be used to fly, empower, energize multiple machineries in Hindu tradition. My vision for Brahmana Varana: 10% of the practicing Hindus should become Brahmanas by Varna. By Varna, 10% Hindus should become Brahmanas. Means collecting this 2 crore, 20 million scriptures, organizing, indexing, translating, building laboratories, not just libraries, laboratories, universities, where we conduct clinical trials, medical trials, scientific researches. Everything gets organized, made user-friendly for the humanity and shared with the humanity free of cost. I invite people from all over the world to share your time, treasure, talent. If you don't want to or don't have time, treasure, talent to give, at least give birth to 5 kids and give me 2 kids. So I'll bring them up as Brahmana Varana. Brahmana Varana does not mean they will become only sannyasis. They will grow as a Brahmana Varana, and even if they get married or take sannyas, they continue to be part of the Brahmana Varana. Till now, I did not have a religious freedom to run the Gurukul as per Hindu tradition. In India, Hindu Gurukuls are banned. Let me be very clear, it is the truth. In India, Hindu Gurukuls are banned. It's very difficult to get legal permission to run Hindu Gurukuls as per Hindu tradition. So now, fortunately, I have a place where I have a religious freedom to conduct the Hindu Gurukuls, Hindu universities as Hindu Shastra scriptures prescribe. So I request at least 10% of Hindus to become Brahmanas by Varana and share your time, treasure, talent. Even if you don't have or don't want to share your time, treasure, talent, give birth to 5 kids and give 2 kids for the Gurukul. Devote them for the Gurukul. We will bring them up in Brahmana Varana and revive Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Revive Sanatana Hindu Dharma. 10% of the born and practicing Hindus should become Brahmana by Varana. Means I am expecting in the 2 billion Hindus, 200 crore Hindus, at least 2 crore, 20 crore, at least 20 crore will become Brahmanas by Varana, should become Brahmanas by Varana. So this large work can be done, reviving Sanatana Hindu Dharma and making it contributing to the world. Understand? This is the most non-violent, life positive knowledge tradition in every field. History, geography, astrology, astronomy, cosmology, physics, chemistry, biology, medicine, mysticism, religion, economy, in every field, administration, social justice, law and order, in every field, the field of education itself, nothing compared to the extreme life positive knowledge source of Hinduism. Spirituality, superconscious science, power manifestation in every level. Unimaginable knowledge source is lying in that 2 crore 20 million source books of Hinduism. Around 10,000 traditions are still alive. I am not talking about what we lost, what we still have, kept it alive, at least in the museums, which I can revive. I can add flesh and bones to this whole scriptures and make it living, alive lifestyle. I invite all the practicing Hindus, living, practicing Hindus and Hindu sympathizers, 200 crore, 2 billion population. At least 10% of you, 2 crore, please come and become Brahmanas by Varna. Let's take up this project of reviving Hindu knowledge, contributing Hindu knowledge. If you are interested, send an email to contact@kailasa.org to share your time, treasure, talent, or become full-time volunteers, or to let your kids to study in our Gurukul. For anything, please reach out to us. We need 2 crore 20 million. Scriptures need to be restored, revived and reached out to the world. We need at least 20 crore Hindus to become Brahmana by Varna.